I recently bought a bunch of apples, but I don't know how many I got. I know I got 6 bushels, and each bushel has 7 apples. So I guess I could add up 7 6 times, but that would take a while. We can do this much faster if we use multiplication. That's what we're going to talk about today on Whiz. So multiplication is really simple if you know the times table. If you know the times table, you can do just about any kind of multiplication. So let's take a look at our problem. If we look at the times table, we can see that 6 times 7 equals 42. We also could have done 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 and also gotten 42. But that would take a lot longer. Multiplication is a lot shorter and easier once you get the hang of it. But what if you have to multiply numbers that aren't in the multiplications times table? Well, today we'll take a look at how to do that. Okay, so imagine we're in an apple orchard. And in this orchard, there are 52 trees, and each tree gives 7 bushels of apples. Let's try to figure out how many bushels of apples this orchard produces. Okay, to do this problem, we can use the times table and break it down. Okay, so first let's write our problem like this. You can also write the problem like this, but it's simpler to have the bigger number on top of the smaller number. Okay, so then we're going to break it up and multiply 7 times 2. And we're going to come back to the 5. So according to the times table, 7 times 2 equals 14. So we're going to move the 4 down to the 1's place below the line and put the 1 on top of the 5 to be used later. Now we're going to multiply 7 times 5 and get 35. So now we're going to bring that 1 back in and add it to 35 and get 36. And then, since there's no hundreds place in 52, we're going to move the 36 down next to the 4 and in front of the 4. And then we're going to get 364. That's a lot of bushels of apples. So now, how about you try one on your own? Okay, now let's see if you can figure out how many apples my friend has. Now she has 8 bushels of apples, and each bushel has 11 apples. All you have to do is multiply the number of bushels times the number of apples in each bushel. So I'm going to put up the problem on the screen and the times table, and then you pause the video and try to figure it out yourself. Go ahead and try it. Okay, you ready? The answer is 88. Wow, she has a lot of apples. Did you get it right? Well, that's all for this video. Check back for more videos on multiplication and all things math on Whiz. Bye!